visualization of teaching strategies. I'm overwhelmed by the first response that you have shown to the video, and it has motivated and encouraged me to make more and more videos. So here I have came up with another software that is coming away into your digital life, making your online teaching easy away. So this software, let me give you some intro about the software. This is an open world software. You know, we teachers have always engaged in online teaching through whiteboard. So whiteboard may not have a lot of feature, but this whiteboard is an interactive whiteboard where just by sharing one screen, you can have multiple access to things. It becomes sometimes very tedious to just go onto the multiple screens and switch it back, and there might be some problems with the sharing sound, and then again to ask the viewers, are you able to share, are you able to view the new screen, and all such questions arise at TV. But now this software makes you to switch on one board and function multiple things together. Just by being sharing this software, you can just access to drawing, you can do calculations, you can do listening audio, you can listen to the websites, you can visit to the websites, or you can just view the PPTs here, you can show the images just all in one together. And on top of that, it's a free software that is open, easily accessible only for desktops. It's not available for the mobile, it is available for Windows, Linux, and iOS users. So you can download the software. I'll just share the description. In the description, I'll share the link below, and you can easily download it. There is not much, you just need to click and it will get downloaded, just like how you go to Google Play Store, and then again just download the software. So we'll just start with the video and show you the features of OpenBoard software. I'm planning up to make two parts of it as it has a lot of features, so we'll be covering in two parts of the videos. Let's dive in. So this is how the interface of the software looks like. So already you can post a picture. I have posted the logo of learndots, and you can have typing from this icon. To your right side, you can see some audio, movies, pictures, animations, applications, interactive space, favorites, web search, trash. So all these are the features of open software. Before going into the detailed features, I'll show you the simple basic features that are available. So if you click on the stylus, there's a bottom line, a stylus will be displaced. You can see, you can view this stylus over here. So this is a highlighter that you can use. It has got multiple colors also, one in blue and then in green and then a brown one. So you can use multiple highlights. It's got an eraser that is available in various shapes. I'll show you for a moment. It's a small eraser. This one will just write down something. We'll write learn dots, and when we will see that the size of erasers that are available. This is the small eraser that is for detail erasing. You can have the big board eraser to erase off the board everything. You can have the medical. So these are the options that are available for the erasers here. So there are lines option, that is how thick or bold you want your writing to be. So you can also select a marker writing that is available in many colors, multiple colors, white, red, blue, green, and yellow. So suppose if I select blue one and I select a medieval lining, I'll show you that how does it feels like. Okay, we'll just go with the red one, we'll just make it bold. Good. So keep on liking, keep on sharing with the teachers and the group that they most need this, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for all the subscribers that are subscribed to the channel. I'm overwhelmed with your response. That encourages me to make more videos and share my experiences with you all. So this is the options that are available. You can have a text option like here. If I have shown welcome to the LearnDots digitalization of learning teaching strategies. So you can just have your tool also type it on. You just type hello. So you can increase the size. You can have colorful. There are color options that are available. You can increase the font. You can decrease the font. You can change the alignments left, right. So in all, it's a good feature that is available here. For coming to lines, you can draw lines with the help of the liner tool. If you want to have mathematical drawings, you want to draw figures or shapes or patterns, you can use this lining. You'll just erase it off all. Then there's a zoom in feature. So zoom in and that's zoom out. Then it's a laser one. So you can point out the laser while teaching. You can point out the laser while reading some paragraphs you want to focus on. There's also a cutter which is available in the stylus, like if you want to crop down something and make a copy of it. So I've cropped here this portion. I can add it to the current page or I can add it to the new page. We'll see adding it to the new page. So where it has gone. So at your left corner you'll have a new page, and on the second page if I click, the new thing has come up here, and if I click on the first page you can see the same copy here. I'll just do it with the current page also. If you want copies of something, like we'll see how it can be applicable. Suppose if I draw a triangle and I'm teaching fractions and I want a copy of triangle. So this is a triangular figure, this figure, and if I want a copy of this figure, so I'll just copy this figure and add it to the current page. So here you go. I've got copy of the triangle. That's a cool feature, right? Now we'll move on to the next pages. So pages get on added over here. If you see, the time is also displayed and the number of pages are displayed to the left bottom corner. From here you can add the pages. If you see here, the pages go on adding. Add the pages. You can duplicate any page. Suppose if I want to duplicate this page, a next copy of the page will be available. The whole page will be copied down. You can have previous next pages. You can switch to previous and next pages. Suppose if I want to switch to next pages, I can switch to a blank sheet. This is for moving up your board. So you can move up your board to the limits you want. It's moving up. You can move it down just with the help of your mouse, and then you can bring it back. Okay, so it's a nice one. That's a moving board that is available for when you have a lot of calculations to do. So instead of switching on to next pages, you can just write it down and move the board up and down. This is the whole eraser for erasing of the whole page. Now coming to documents. So documents is here. There's a lot of history. Suppose if I have covered up or if I have left out some of the documents that are there, then in this history you can see that already that are shared, they are saved automatically here. So I'll just show you one document that I have seen. So I have taught human eye chapter and I've prepared this document. I can directly open it to the board. I can import the document. I can export the document. Any this of you, suppose I have made this human eye feature. So human eye full PPT I have made. It's not actually PPT, it's just picture in pictures. And this board I shared with the students, like how we use a blackboard to write down things. So this I have shared, and then I have exported as a PDF on Google Classroom for children to have a reference of this. You can just trash it off feature, and you can also add documents to the working document. Suppose in middle you are teaching a lesson, and you have already prepared up this board to be displayed on each day, but suddenly you strike up that something new to be added, something new document or something new page to be added, new image to be added, then you can directly switch off and just add a new document. I'll show you up here. Here are the options that are saying that add a new folder of images, add images, or add pages to the file. So these are the options that are available. We'll just see one of the document. We'll just open in the board. So if you click on here or any page, I'll show you random page. So if I click on up here and I open in the board, this is the what gets saved. Even whatever erasing things you do or corrections you have done on the board, that also gets saved. It doesn't rub off. Like last time I have just did this part and I didn't erase it off while switching on to the other page, and that has remained over here. So in this way, you can just move to pages and teach your children just like you do in the blackboard. But the one feature that it doesn't erase off, as we come up in the next class, our blackboard is black off, but it doesn't erase off, rubs off. So that is the cool feature that it has. It also has document feature. You can rename the documents as I have told you earlier. You can read, you can directly switch to the board. Now coming up to, there is some more features that are available on the right side. So I hope you are able to visualize this one, that is animations, interactivities, applications, shapes. So these are more detailed features that we'll be seeing in the second part of the video, because they are more detailed and they are more of useful to be applied into our teaching learning process. So thank you so much for your response, and keep watching, keep liking. Just click on like, share and subscribe. We'll come in the part 2 of this video. So stay tuned to learn dots. Thank you.